It's very windy morning today in Bali. However, yesterday I was in Nusa Dua showing you a little bit of the premium area. Today I'm in Sanur. It's 8:30 at morning and I'm gonna show you more affordable places where you can enjoy your stay, holiday and the local restaurants and Bali in general.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.
That's the harbor situation going for diving. So all of these people waiting for their boat to going somewhere diving. And there is also reconstruction, they changing a little bit. There is the new place, Tuja di Pranchai, by the way, the new restaurant. And yeah, this is like a diving spot in Sanur in general, guys. Very windy today, that's for sure. Check this out. In Sanur you can find so many accommodations starting for as little as $30 in the local homestay or guest house up to approximately $100 in the 4-5 star hotels, beach resorts like this one and Puri Santrian in Sanur. If you're heading more into southwest part of the Sanur into direction of Mertasari, you can find few big hotels beachfront for, well, the price range like $7,500. Shouldn't be much more than 1 million per night in the local currency. I'm gonna show you today all of them and also a few places where you could enjoy the breakfast at morning in case or lunch in case if you would like to go out from the hotel, because in Sanur to compare to Nusa Dua is very easily actually to find everything outside the hotel. Sanur is just the city while Nusa Dua is just the closed complex of the resort. So that's the two big differences, and also Nusa Dua is definitely much more premium and Sanur is definitely much more affordable place. Meanwhile, looks like this. Beach is actually pretty nice and very similar. However, it's very windy today, so I'm so sorry for the potential interruptions with the sound quality, but I think so it's pretty alright.
Even if the sky is falling down, jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.
Also, Sanur is water sports friendly beach and area of Bali. You can find so many jet skis. Also, during the wind season like this one, you can kite surfing, windsurfing, and any kind of stuff like this one. Also, if you are taking boat, you can even surfing just after the like a 1 kilometer deep inside over there. There are big waves. And also the beach waves in general, when it's not windy like today, it's very shallow water, very calm water, and it's very friendly for the kids. Also, next hotel will be kids friendly with the slides and stuff like this. I'm gonna show you now. Next hotel is Pramasandra Beach Hotel. Very family friendly hotel, also very friendly hotel for any kind of like this guy is doing kite surfing, I think. They have actually Ripkur have a contract and they can teach you how to do the water sports here. Also, hotel is currently open. Definitely much more people on the restaurants already. Second wing is open. The breakfast time is actually around 9 o'clock at morning right now. So definitely it's better and better. Family friendly hotels with the slides and the attractions. Maybe it's not the newest one, however, definitely you can find little bit situations around. For everyone who are thinking to come with kids to Sanur and looking for the Hotel Prama Hotel, guys. And it looks pretty like this one. The swimming pool, attractions and the hotel in the background.
Hello everybody, I'm Rob. We're in beautiful South Sanur at the Prama. Big hotel, a little tired, but that's okay. Breakfast okay, swimming pool's okay, room's okay. Oh, Damien, he's tops. Been watching him for months. Been waiting to get back here for a long time. 2 years and 4 months since we've been here last time, so all good now.
It was so lovely to say hi to you guys, of course, always happy to meet you. This is the situation of the Bamboo restaurant. They opened something like pizza takeaway box. Not actually that many people by the beach today, but I think this is because of the weather. It's actually very, very windy. And this is the, you know, the place where they preparing their stuff, the rip cool school for the surfing and stuff like this, kite surfing, windsurfing. Actually, it's great weather for that, that's for sure. You can also learn how to dive, and they have a foreigner instructors here. So, and this is the another hotel in Sanur. Actually, the last one after that is just Pramasandra Beach. It's called Mercure Hotel. Pretty old hotel, I could say, and they struggle pretty a lot. However, it's worth to show you around because many of you guys actually consider to staying here. So you have a point of view how does it look like, at least from the outside. So over here they are actually like a bungalows and villa style. This is also one of the oldest hotels here in Sanur. And the beach situation looks like this one. At the front you have one of the bars, restaurants belongs to them, actually independently, but belongs to them. However, the prices are actually pretty higher, so it's not that really local vibe. However, the hotel is very local, I could say. I'm not sure if that makes sense what I'm saying now. However, looks like this one, and this is the restaurant where you potentially gonna have a you're gonna have a potentially breakfast here in Sanur, in Mercure. So that was regarding the hotels. Well, if we compare Nusa Dua to Sanur, definitely Sanur hotels are more affordable, but also the quality will be a little bit different, I could say, than the resorts in Nusa Dua. That's in simple words what I can say. Okay, now from the hotels, let's go show you a little bit from the eatery options what you can find close by these hotels now. And of course, if you are heading more into northeast, where you have to go to find the restaurant, there is new Intercontinental Hotel. Actually, the brand is new because that was the Fairmont Hotel in Sanur. However, prices here are already few hundred dollars per night. However, very nice hotel indeed. And then here you go, guys. You have a restaurant and food options eatery. What you can find here, I'm gonna show you all of them around these hotels. Starting from Coco Bistro, this place is very nice for the pizza. Second best pizza in Sanur, just after Hyatt Hotel, which is actually behind us, but that's on different occasion. Very nice place for pizza and also chilling around by the beach. Not so busy, it's still morning. However, you can find this like this one. There's another one, however, at morning they are not all of them, they are open, obviously. Another option, we have Omba. Sanur is nice place for the coffee and pastry at morning, but also they have a nice breakfast options around. Pretty successful at morning, we can see already. Next over here is Barramundi. I never eat here, however I heard this is great place for the seafood. Like I said, I never tried, so I cannot put my name on it, but you can try. Come by yourself. Another one here is Aka something. Also, I think they have a barbecue very often, Indonesian. And this is the entrance of the Lila Pantai. Lila Pantai, great place for any kind of food, and the coffee at morning, obviously. Sittings inside, sittings outside, everywhere you can find many interesting things around. And also just next to it is the Nest, little bit of the spa. Something like that, pretty successful. Check this out, already customers since morning. Then you have a beautiful place where I make an intro of today's video, by the way, with this boat, temple and the palm tree. And then the last one behind me is Newman, also the similar like any other restaurants here, little bit more pricey, however also very nice. And that was today the area of the Mertasari area, southwest part of Sanur. And next time I'm gonna show you northeast part of the Sanur, because there's of course so many other places around. And well, seems actually pretty busy for me. I mean, so many tourists working around already, so happy days. Meanwhile, thanks so much for listening today. Don't forget to subscribe. There is like a red button under my name, actually, on the YouTube. That's very helpful, costs you nothing, it takes you only 2 seconds of your time. Meanwhile, I will see you as always tomorrow on next one. See ya, take care, guys.